Hello there, whoever you are, wherever you are, welcome to my tutorial. This looks easy, but it is a bit tricky to fold exactly from corner to corner, but take your time and make sure you fold it very precise, because if you don't do it right at this stage, you won't be able to get stars with really sharp points later on. I've marked out a yellow triangle. That piece has to be folded over that fold down there. And you can do that in one go, but I want to make a nice pocket with a very sharp pointy star. So what I did is the following. First, I fold the paper back, so the opposite way. So it's easier to create a very sharp point. And you see, just over that fold. Same on the other side. And after I did that, I opened up the paper, folded it the right way with a very sharp point, and now I'm covering the fold down below to create that pocket you want. Same on the other side, of course. Well, I've marked out the flap and the pocket, and I guess you know what you have to do now. Make a star with 5 points and keep on assembling. 5 points means 5 parts, and on the corner 3 parts together. The designer says it's possible to do it without glue. I couldn't manage, but I guess that's because my paper wasn't really origami paper and a bit stiff, so well, maybe you'll manage. Let me know how you get on. I hope you like it. Have fun!